Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Today we will solve one more 7 marks problem from parabola, right? So read the question. Prove that the area inscribed inside the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is this one. Suppose parabola is like this, you know it very well. Suppose we have taken 3 points, right? So we can form a triangle. So we have to prove that area of this triangle which is inscribed inside, inscribed means which lies inside the parabola is 1 by 4a into this one. Okay, so you consider 3 points A, B, C points, right, as the vertices of a triangle which lies inside the parabola. So come on, how we will take this problem? You consider 3 vertices of the parabola in parametric equation form. In parabola, right, parametric equations are x is equal to at square and y is equal to 2at. They are called parametric equations with respect to parabola. So we will take 3 vertices in, not in a general form, we will take in parametric form, right? So a is equal to x1 y1. We have taken that as parametric form. at1 square 2at1 is the first point. Next, first point means first vertex. B is equal to x2 y2 is the second one, that is at2 square comma 2at2. Parametric form. To make the difference of 3 points, 1 point, first points are with respect to 1, second points are with respect to 2, third points are with respect to 3. Generally parametric form bole to x is equal to at square and y is equal to 2at, right? These are called parametric equations. So to make the difference of 3 points are there, no? That's why at1 square 2at1, at2 square 2at2, like that we have taken. So C is equal to, this is x3 y3 is equal to, this is at3 square 2at3 are the vertices of a triangle. Are the, what are those vertices, right, of triangle ABC. Okay, so now you take area. So area is equal to, what is the formula when 3 vertices are given to us? 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. Remember, this is a formula when 3 vertices are given to us, we can find the area of the triangle. So is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 is your at1 square minus x2 is at2 square, y1 is 2at1 minus 2at2. Similarly, x1 minus x3, x1 is at1 square minus at3 square. Okay, so next 2at1, y1 minus y3, right? y3 is 2at3. Okay, observe carefully. From the first row, a can be taken common, isn't it? From this a, from this a. So from the total first row, a can be taken common. Here a, here a. From the second row also, we can take a common. So from the first row, a, and from the second row, a, right? So now what are the values inside the determinant? This is t1 square minus t2 square. Here it is 2 into 2 is common, right? It is t1 minus t2. A is taken common from the first row. Similarly, t1 square minus t3 square. Here also a is taken common, so 2 will be there. It is T1 minus T3. Okay, so it is a square by 2 modulus of, this is a square minus b square form. This is also a square minus b square form. A square minus b square can be taken as a plus b into a minus b form. So a plus b into a minus b form means T1 plus T2 into T1 minus T2. Okay, so this is 2 into T1 minus T2. So here also this is T1 plus T3, a plus b into a minus b form. So T1 minus T3. Here 2 into T1 minus T3. Observe the first row. T1 minus T2 is common in the first row. And observe the second row. T1 minus T3 is common in the second row. So we can take T1 minus T2 from the first row outside and T1 minus T3 from the second row outside. Then what happens to your value a square by 2? Come on, from the first row we can take T1 minus T2 and from the second row we can take T1 minus T3 as common. So what is the leftover value? It is T1 plus T2 and 2 will be there in the first row and T1 plus T3 and 2 will be there in the second row. And you know that how to find this determinant, right? AD minus BC form. So is equal to a square by 2 T1 minus T2 T1 minus T3 modulus of, come on, 2 into this one, 2 into T1 plus T2 minus 2 into T1 plus T3. Okay, so is equal to a square by 2 T1 minus T2 into T1 minus T3 modulus of 2T1 plus 2T2 minus 2T1 minus 2T3. Okay, minus 2T1 plus 2T1 will get cancelled, right? Is equal to a square by 2 T1 minus T2 into T1 minus T3 modulus of 2 can be taken common, 2 is there, right? It is common, you can take outside. Then modulus of, it is, what is the value? T2 minus T3. These two will get cancelled. Now send all these values inside the modulus. So what happens? T1 minus T2 into, here I will write this as T3 minus T1, okay, and this value is minus of, right? If we change, right, the sign, it is next, this one is T2 minus T3, okay, but inside the modulus negative will be positive only, and try to write in the order. So what is the order? T1 minus T2 into T2 minus T3 into T3 minus T1. So where is this negative value? So in modulus, if inside minus is there, it becomes plus. Okay, now actually finally we have to prove the area of the triangle is 1 by 8a into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 means 2a t1 minus 2a t2. Next y2 minus y3 means 2a t2 minus 2a t3. So we are having t1 minus t2, t2 minus t3, t3 minus t1, but we need 2a. Suppose it is 2a t1 minus 2a t2, it will be y1 minus y2. Next 2a t2 minus 2a t3, it is nothing but y2 minus y3. That means 2a is needed here, here, here. That means 2a into 2a into 2a. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8a cube we want. Already a square is there. That's why observe, I am multiplying and dividing with 8a. Why? I want 8a cube so that I can give 2a for this and 2a for this and 2a for this. Right? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. A into a square into a cube. Right? So already a square is there. 1a is needed, 8 is needed. That's why multiplying and dividing with 8a. Okay. So T1 minus T2 into T2 minus T3 into T3 minus T1. Okay. Now give your 2a, 2a, 2a to each term. So outside it will be 8a and I am giving 2a for this, 2a for this, 2a for this. Multiplication, it is not plus. Right. So it is 2a T1 minus 2a T2. Okay. Similarly, it is 2a T2 minus 2a T3. Similarly, 2a T3, 2a T1. Okay. So now what is this? From the given information, we have taken y1 as 2a T1, y2 as 2a T2. So this is nothing but y1 minus y2. This is nothing but y2 minus y3. Okay. And this is nothing but y3 minus y1. This is what we have to prove. Area of the triangle. Prove that the area of the triangle inscribed in the parabola. So this is the triangle in which lies inside the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax is 1 by 8a. y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1. We got it, right? So prove that problem. So we have to write hence proved. So whenever we got prove that, show that problem, after finding the value we have to write hence proved. Okay. So here you have to remember, I have taken the ABC vertex points, right, coordinates in parametric form, not in normal form. So we have taken parametric form of the parabola. X is equal to at square, y is equal to 2at. We have taken 3 points. So to make the difference, we have taken 8t1 square, 2at1, 8t2 square, 2at2, 8t3 square, 2at3. Right. So you have to take the values in parametric form. After that, we applied the formula. Area of the triangle is half modulus x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y3. Then by taking some common terms are there from the row, we have taken first row, we have taken a common. From the second row also we have taken a common. After that, it is of the form a square minus b square form, a plus b into a minus b form. Okay. Similarly downwards also. Next again from the first row we can take t1 minus t2 common and second row t1 minus t3. After that determinant, we used the determinant ad minus bc form. Okay. So one thing you have to remember, it should be in order. That's why after sending the modulus, I have taken here it is t1 minus t3. I have taken minus of t3 minus t1. Inside the modulus negative is there, it becomes positive. Right. Now it is in the order, give 2a to each term. You will get your required answer. Okay. Practice this problem. This is also most repeated 7 marks problem from your parabola. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.